At the beginning of the 21st century, the Umbrella Corporation had become the largest commercial entity in the United States. 9 out of every 10 homes contain its products. Its political and financial influence is felt everywhere. In public, it is the world's leading supplier of computer technology, medical products, and healthcare. Unknown even to its own employees, its massive profits are generated by military technology, genetic experimentation, and viral weaponry.
The Umbrella Corporation are making all kind of experiments, especially on kids. How they find deserted on the street of Holsby. One of the kids in Holsby are Anton Backenberg, which the Umbrella Corporation found when he was out walking. The corporation shot Dakin with a sleeping dart, and throwed him into the van. The next day Dakin wakes up and finds himself in a research facility. What he didn't know was that the Umbrella Corporation infected him with the T-virus. The virus started to take effect. Dakin started to come in floods. The Umbrella Corporation did all kind of experiments on Dakin. One of it was to turn Dakin into a cow. They called the project for Formulopod Dakin. The other thing they did to him was to put his head on a rocket. The rocket was filled with Dakin antimateria. The bomb was so powerful that it had the ability to wipe out a whole field of shot. They called the project for Tactical Dakin Device. So what happened to Dakin after all experiments the Umbrella Corporation did to him? He went mad and killed the guy next to him, with his bare hands, poor little guy. The government found out about Project Dakin and stopped it. But Dakin wasn't there. Some say that he managed to escape from the facility. Others say that a sycophant cut his arms and legs and having him hanging in a closet, letting him breathe liquid fumes from a mask.